Can you help him?
Friend, your sins are forgiven.
What did he just say?
I think he said that man's sins were forgiven.
After God forgave him, I assume.
He didn't say anything about God.
That's blasphemy.
Why are you thinking these things? Tell me, which is easier? To say to this paralyzed man, your sins are forgiven? Or to say, stand up, take your stretcher, and walk home? I want you to know, the Son of Man has authority on earth to forgive sins. Now stand up, take your stretcher, and walk home.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you.